There are certain things you should never do after uploading a video on YouTube. Yes, there are certain actions that we actually take after uploading a video, and at the end of the day, it ends up affecting our video. So I'm going to be listing those things that you should not do after uploading a video so that your video do not flop. So without wasting time, let's go. So the first thing is for you not to mess with a video that is actually performing well. Sometimes when we see a video that is performing well, we want to go and change our thumbnail. Be like, oh, this thumbnail is not fine, let me go and change it. That action, that thumbnail you're changing or that title you're changing is actually affecting that video. So if you know you've uploaded your video, just leave the title or the thumbnail or the tag alone. Just leave it alone and allow that video to grow by itself. And also, another mistake we make is actually going back to our video to go and add chapters. Sometimes when you see big creators create their video and you see the chapters they have, on their video, you feel like, oh, I actually want this for my video, and you go back to go and add it to your own video. Once you go back to go and touch that video, you're actually killing that video. So make sure that if you have already uploaded that video, just leave it the way it is. And if you want to add chapters, you can do it in your next video. So after uploading your video, make sure that you just leave it the way it is. Don't add any chapter, don't change the title, don't change the thumbnail. So just leave it the way it is. Another mistake we make is sharing our videos to family and friends. Yes, sometimes we can be tempted to, get more views, and we start sharing our video link to our family and friends for them to watch it. And some of them actually do not watch that video to the end. So if you know that your friends or your family are not going to watch your video to the end, just leave your video the way it is. YouTube will help you find the right audience that will actually watch that video. So even if you're going to share it to your family and friends, make sure that you beg them or you are with them and tell them that, please, oh, you need to watch this video to the end, and make sure that they don't fast forward. They watch it, they like, and they also drop comments, because when you drop comments, it actually gives your video engagement. And also, another mistake we make is leaving our comment section unanswered. Sometimes when we see one or two comments on our videos, and we just leave it and be like, okay, don't worry, when the comments are much, then I'll come back to reply all of them. No, you're actually killing your video. So when you see, even if it's just one comment, when you see comment on your video, make sure that you go back and like that comment and respond to that comment, reply that comment, because the more comments they drop, the more you reply, you are getting engagement on your video, you're giving that video engagement. So make sure that you always reply your comment, and also don't allow negative comments to be too much on your videos. Yes, sometimes you'll be like, let them leave it now. The more they talk about it, the more I'll get engagement. It actually kill your video, because if there are so many negative comments on your video, and a viewer is actually watching your video and they tend to see so many negative comments, they won't watch that video to the end, and it will actually make the viewer dislike you and they won't watch more of your videos. So if you know there are so many negative comments on your video, make sure you moderate it. You can hide it and delete it, and just make your comment section sane. The power is in your hands, so just make sure that your comment section is sane. And also, don't forget to reply your comment, reply the positive one, reply the engaging one, just reply your comment. That's all I have to say. Another mistake we make is going to watch our videos after we upload it. Yes, sometimes we are tempted to, just see how our video looks like, and we go and click on it and watch that video. Some of us do not watch that video to the end. And if you watch that video and you're not watching it to the end, it is actually killing your video, because you see that your video, that video that you watch, it actually counts. It counts as one view. So make sure that if you upload a video and you just want to see how the video is performing, make sure you watch that video to the end. If you know you can't watch it to the end, just go to your own device, your gallery where you have the video, and go and look at it and watch it. But as long as you're on that YouTube app and you open that video, make sure you watch it to the end and don't fast forward it. Just leave it, he plays to the end, and then you like, and you can click off. So make sure that you are watching your video till the end. Another mistake we make is deleting a video before it blows up. Yes, sometimes when we upload videos, especially if you're a new creator and your videos are actually not getting that views, maybe you're getting like 5 or 10 views, and you put all your effort into making that video, and at the end of the day, is not giving you enough view, is not giving you what it's supposed to give, just leave that video. Sometimes it can even take up to a year. You don't even know the particular video that will actually blow up. I've seen so many instances where creators will upload video, and when that particular topic for that video start trending, maybe the next day the video actually picks up. You just see the video gathering views and bringing in revenue. So make sure that whatever video you upload, even if the video is good and you're not getting views, just leave that video. Definitely it will pick up. Some of them will actually pick up. Another mistake we make after uploading our video is not adding our video to our playlist. Yes, you see that playlist, it actually helps, especially if a viewer sees one of your video from your playlist. When you watch one of your video from your playlist, YouTube will actually recommend more of your other videos from that playlist to that person. So make sure that after uploading your video, make sure you add it to a playlist so that it will help you get enough engagement. And another thing is also making use of the YouTube community tab. You see that tab there, it actually helps, especially if you have a video that is actually not performing very well. You can actually go to that your community tab to go and repost that video. It will give you a new audience. Like, YouTube will push it out again if the video is not performing well. So if you upload a video and maybe after a month and that video is not performing well, make use of your community tab, and also make sure you have a playlist. Playlist will also help you get that 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, if you're looking for your 4,000 watch hours, playlist will actually help you. There's no creator that will not tell you that. So make sure you always have your videos, always add your videos on your playlist. So thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. If you find this video useful, let me know in the comments, and also let me know which of these mistakes you've done on your channel, so that we'll take corrections and see you by next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.